Good morning, viewers. Well, back after a long time, and today I'll be reviewing the book The Book Thief by the Australian Marcus Zusak. As I mentioned, the name The Book Thief. This book is set in Nazi Germany. It is about growing up in Nazi Germany during those hard days, facing struggles, fighting for one's own survival, about friendship, about parenthood, just as the same we find in the famous Pather Pachali, especially its introductory part, Amatir Bhepu. Readers of classic Bengal literature is going to find a comparison between this book set in Germany by an Australian writer and the book set in those old days in Bengal by Vibhuti Bhushan. Very interesting. And coming to the theme of the book has a very unique presentation and narration. The story of the book is narrated by Death. Yes, you guessed that right. Death. And just as the writing in the book says, when Death tells a story, you really have to listen. My viewers may find it a bit curious to may be curious to know why the name The Book Thief. Well, I won't give it out in this video. No spoilers from my side. That is for you to find and read and find out. The Book Thief has many shades in its narration, because the story is being narrated by Death, and that is a very extremely interesting angle. Apart from the narration, the presentation also has depressing undertones to it. The reign of Hitler, the Third Reich, the persecution of the Jews, anti-Semitism, growing up in Nazi Germany in those days, which was definitely very hard for the people belonging to that era. And definitely there are brighter sides to the book: the joy of parenting, the joy of growing up, the mischievousness of childhood, and definitely thievery, stealing, be it books or be it in the orchids. There is a bit of debate around the book if this book may be read by young readers or especially teenagers. That is a bit difficult to understand, difficult to say or predict. But in my opinion, the book is for adults, or more specifically young adults. And coming to the negatives of the book, apart from the depressive undertones, the book is also painstakingly slow. Yes, the narration is very slow, and also the book is really very long, about 600 pages. But then the book also has its brighter sides. It is a tale of hope about survival and definitely triumph of the human spirit. You may find the book on Amazon and Flipkart. And that is all from my side today. Thank you.